Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you're as excited as I am, you will know why. Because today is Apple time. It is the glow time of Techtember. Right in front of us, we got the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, the brand new ones. Before we get into this video, can we just appreciate how much of a special month September is? It's not even called September. It's called Techtember. This is Apple time. This is glow time. We got all the new Apple products coming in. I just posted a video on the AirPod Maxes. Matter of fact, let me grab them out of my box. Right over here. Out of my Apple bag. You saw this, the AirPod Maxes. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure to go check it out at the top right of your screen right now. I got them in the Starlight color with the brand new USB-C, and that's literally all that Apple has done. But anyways, here, right in front of us, let's get to the gist of this video itself, the AirPods 4. Now, these are not the AirPods Pro. Matter of fact, Apple has not even released new AirPod Pros this year. You know what's crazy? I was sitting in the Apple event, like not actually in San Francisco, Cupertino, California, sadly. Apple, if you're watching this next year, fly me out. But listen, I was sitting here at my desk in the studio watching the Apple event, and I was like, there's no AirPod Pros? And you know what they did? They said, hey, you know, we're gonna release some new AirPods. And that's what they did. We got them right here. And then they started talking about the AirPod Pros and how, you know, they got some new features, all of that. All of that is just a software update that we're going to be receiving sometime at the end of this year. That's it. No new hardware. The same old AirPod Pro 2s that we've been using. Matter of fact, I think I got them somewhere over here. I got them right here, you know? These same old AirPods. They're just adding software updates and they're going to update automatically, and that's the AirPod Pros. Same price, $329 Canadian. But enough with that ramble. AirPod 4. I was about to say AirPods Pro 4. AirPods 4. Not the Pro 4s, just the 4s, the base AirPods 4. Now, these come in two different versions. We got the base AirPods 4 starting at $129 US, and then you got the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, which start at $179 US. So I got mine with active noise cancellation. Let's get straight into the unboxing. These are the same as like the base AirPods that people had back in the day, the long white sticks. They changed up the design, which is nice. Let's shake that air pocket out, get straight into the unboxing. Look at that right there, designed by Apple in California. Any Apple stickers? Obviously not, becoming carbon neutral by 2030. And so just as I talked about in my AirPod Max video, that's why I keep my old Apple stickers, because you know, now they're a thing of the past. No more Apple stickers. And here they are. Here are the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Super satisfying. Now, one thing I will say, ooh, they smell good. They smell like a new Apple product. One thing I will say is the AirPods 4, the ones that are $129, whoops, that wasn't so good, and the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, the ones I have right here, they visually have no difference. The only difference is inside of the AirPods, like the guts of the AirPods. But before we start talking about that, right here on my left, I have the AirPods Pro 2, the $329 Canadian one, all right? And right here, I have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, the ones that just came out this month, today. And this is the size, all right? They seem practically the same thing, all right? The AirPods Pro 2 case is slightly wider, as you guys can see. There is no LED indicator at the front. At the back, they look pretty much the same. There's no lanyard loop. At the bottom, we still have all of that USB-C stuff, as well as the speakers. And then you open them up, and there they are. They're no longer the long white sticks. They look more like the AirPods Pro 2, which is nice, okay? And then we open up the AirPods Pro 2. Mine are, you know, kind of dirty, scratched up. I've been using them for some time. And you know, visually, they look the same. No longer the long white sticks, which is awesome for base AirPods. But will you notice one difference? It's this thing. This ear tip, all right? These do not come with ear tips, the new ones, okay? So let me put the AirPods Pro 2 back, and we're gonna talk about why these AirPods Pro, or I should say the AirPods 4, don't come with ear tips. And so in Apple's event, all right, they said that this was one shape fitting everyone around the world. Don't ask me how that works because there's over 8 billion people on planet Earth, and I don't know how we all have the same ear size. So if there's like 8 billion, that means that there's 16 billion ears. Quick math. They also said that these are the most comfortable AirPods ever, the best sounding AirPods ever, amazing voice isolation. It has the smallest and most portable case with 30 hours of battery life. That's just for the base AirPod 4s, okay? AirPod 4s with active noise cancellation also have all those features. And then they also have added features. They have advanced transparency mode, adaptive audio, conversation awareness. They have a wireless charging case. So the base AirPod 4s don't, the ones with active noise cancellation do. And they also have a case speaker for Find My. They have that H2 chip with personalized spatial audio, and you could respond to Siri with head shakes thanks to that new H2 chip. That's everything that's new with the AirPod 4s. Now, let me see how they fit in my ear, because that's one thing I am super interested in knowing. I mean, straight out of the box, you can see how they kind of like curve. I don't know if you guys can see that. Do you see that like curve? Maybe at this angle. Do you see how like right now they're straight, but you could see like the back part, it's kind of like protruding out? That's because they're curved. Let me put them on in my ear. Okay, interesting. Very, very interesting. I'm shaking my head. I might be talking a little louder because they are sounding like they have noise cancellation, but I'm shaking my head and these things aren't coming out. Do they feel loose? They sure do feel loose, but they don't feel like they're going anywhere. So whatever technology Apple has used, I mean, at least me sitting down, I'm not sure about playing sports, but whatever technology Apple has used, hey, I can't complain. I think they did a good job with this. But anyways, that is the unboxing and the first impressions of the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. I'm not gonna do a video on the base AirPod 4s because there's no point. They are literally the same thing with less features. But the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, the ones I have right here, right now, that are $50 more expensive, they're interesting. Small case, powerful guts, apparently, and somehow they still stick in my ears. So if you guys would like the full review, I'm gonna be keeping these. I'm gonna see how they run in my day in the life, all that, going to the gym, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm gonna give you guys my full impressions. If you guys want to have that video, if you guys want to stick for that, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, comment down below your thoughts, and let me know how you feel about the AirPods 4, as well as just all the new AirPods that Apple released, the AirPod Maxes and these AirPods 4s, and then the ones with active noise cancellation. Honestly, not much change. Interesting. Would I say, as Tech Realism says, is this certified real tech? I gotta review them. I gotta stick through a week of using these and seeing how they turn out. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all at TechRificItIs, that whole ramble, spiel, everything, all that. And we got a bunch of new videos, especially the iPhones. They're coming. We have them in the studio. The ones with day in the lives, the pink iPhones, the desert titanium iPhones, all that good stuff. It's all coming here at TechRific, talking about tech. It's been Alex, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.